Now let's take a look at the MadSoft Premier feature, the price tag and the price group. These are the 4 topics we're going to cover today. First, let's take a look at the sales invoice before price group feature and the price tag feature. Let's take a look at the next video. Before using the MadSoft price group feature, let's take a look at the effect on the sales invoice. In our example, we are using the AAT thermometer. Okay, the purchase price is $10. Okay, there's a sales discount of 2%, and the minimum selling price is $15, and the list price selling price is $30. Okay, let's go to our sales invoice. Okay, let's choose a customer and the stock code AAT thermometer. So the unit price $30 will appear, a sales discount of 2%, that is 60 cents. So the amount will be $29.40. Okay, let's take a look at the tax invoice. Okay, so then tax invoice would show the stock code, the unit price, the discount amount, and the amount after discount. Next, let's go to the price group feature. MadSoft price group feature allows us to be able to define 4 different selling methods for a maximum of 6 different classifications of customers. The 4 different selling methods are: method number 1, setting different selling price for different types of customers. Method number 2, setting discount in dollar amount or in percentage. Method number 3, define profit margin in percentage. And method number 4, set unit price by quantity. First, we need to define the 6 different classifications of customers. Let's watch a video to see how to do the setup. To use the MadSoft price group feature, first we need to go to the systems option and go to the price group column and tick the 6 boxes and name the different types of customers. In our example, we are using corporate, dealer, distributor, retailer, subsidiary, and walk-in. These names can be changed according to the needs of the user. Next, we need to go to our stock item listing and choose the stock. We are using AAT thermometer and go to the price group column. And MadSoft allows users to use 4 different types of selling methods. Method number 1 will be looking at the effect on the sales invoice. We are looking at the different unit selling price for corporate, $25, and unit selling price for dealer is $20. Method number 2, we can define the discount either in percentage or in dollar amount. So for discount, for distributor will be 10%, and for retailer we're giving it a $10 discount. Method number 3, the profit margin for subsidiary, we are using 50%. And method number 4, we are defining the unit price by quantity for the walk-in customers. We will be looking them in depth in the examples later. Next, we need to go to the customers listing and select which customer use which price group. Okay, so I'm going to show only 2 examples. The Max Clinic, I've decided to use this customer as a retailer. Click Save. And the next customer, Zoe, okay, this will be in the walk-in customer. Okay, so you can carry on with the rest of the customers listing. Now, we need to define the 4 different selling methods. Let's watch the next video to see how to set up the 4 different selling methods. Now, let's take a look at the effect of the price group on the sales invoice. Let's look at method number 1, that is the different unit selling price. For corporate will be $25, and unit selling price for dealer is $20. Let's go to the sales invoice. Okay, so we select the customer first. So for corporate customer is Zone Hill Private Hospital. Okay, next we just select our thermometer. Okay, so in the price group, click on the button and it will display the listing. This is the settings we have set earlier, and we just click on the price group. So it will show me my unit selling price $25, and this matches with the $25 on the screen. So I will click on the preview on tax invoice. So it will show me $25 unit price. Next, we will go to the next customer for dealer. That is Post Public Hospital. and choose the stock code. Okay. So for the price group, you can see that unit selling price is $20 and it matches. Okay. Let's take a look at the tax invoice. So it will show me unit price $20. Now let's see the method number 2, effect on the sales invoice. For distributor customer, we are using a 10% discount. For our retailer customer, we are using a dollar amount that is $10. So let's go to our sales invoice. Okay. First, let's take a look at our distributor customer, that is Star Medical Store Private Limited. Okay, we will choose the thermometer and click on the table. So now you can see that unit price tallies with the list price that we have set in the stock list item listing, and the list on the stock item listing, the 2% discount will be overwritten by the setting in our price group. So on the table discount column here, it will show 10% instead of the 2%. Okay, let's take a look at our tax invoice. So it will show the unit price of $30, 10% on $30, the discount will be $3. So the amount after discount will be $27. Okay. Let's take a look at the next customer. That's the retailer, that is Max Clinic Private Limited. Choose the thermometer. Okay. So the unit price will remain $30. The price group setting now will show the $10 in dollar amount instead of the 2% as well. Okay. Let's take a look at the tax invoice. So it will show the unit price of $30 minus $10 discount, amount $20 after discount. Now let's take a look at the effect of method number 3 on the sales invoice. We're setting a profit margin of 50% for our subsidiary customer. Let's go to the sales invoice. Our subsidiary customer will be True Pharmacy Private Limited. Okay, call up the thermometer. Okay. So from this table, how do we arrive on the unit price of $15? Okay. Our normal purchase price is $10, and for the price group setting, profit margin of 50%. This profit margin 50% is on top of the normal purchase price. So 50% of $10 will be $5, so the new unit price will be $15. So let's take a look at the tax invoice. So it will show the new unit price of $15. Now let's see the effect of method number 4 on the sales invoice. For our walk-in customer, for 1 piece to 5 pieces, the unit price will be $15. For 6 pieces to 10 pieces, the unit price will be $10. And for 11 pieces to 15 pieces, the unit price will be $8. Let's go to the sales invoice. Our walk-in customer will be Zoe. Okay. Thermometer. Let's say the customer buys 12 pieces. Okay. Let's take a look at the price group setting. So for 12 pieces, that will fall into this column here, 11 to 15 pieces. So the unit price will be $8. So the unit price shows $8. Let's take a look at the tax invoice. So it's 12 pieces of $8, so the total amount $96. Okay. So let's say for Zoe, the walk-in customer, let's see the change in quantity. Let's say instead of now they are buying 8 pieces. Okay. So it will fall into this column here. 6 to 10 pieces, the unit price will be $10. Okay. So now it will show the unit price for 8 pieces is $10 each, so total amount $80. The benefits of the price group feature is number 1, it can define a maximum of 6 customer classifications. Benefit 2, each customer classifications can define 4 different selling methods, namely the selling price, the item discount by percentage or amount, profit margin by percentage, or unit price by quantity. Next, we'll be looking at the price tag feature. The price tag feature is an enhancement to the price group feature. We will have a stock item tagging to unlimited number of customers with different selling price. Price tag feature allows us to be able to tag different prices to unlimited number of customers. And in our example, we'll be using the stock item thermometer, tagging to unlimited number of customers with different unit selling price. So let's take a look at the next video to see how we can use this price tag feature. To use the MadSoft price tag feature, first we need to go to the systems option and go to the premier feature column and tick the box show price tag and display as price tag. Next, we need to go to our stock item listing and call up our stock code, the thermometer, and go to our price tag column. I have already created 6 different categories. So to show you how to create, I'm just going to create another 2 more categories. Okay. So we just click add and choose the ones that we haven't created. Private hospital, the unit price is $50. And another one will be special clinic, unit price $70. And click save. Then next we will go to our customers listing. We need now to tag which customer belongs to which price tag. Okay. So for Matrix Polyclinic, we click use price tag. And this belongs to the polyclinic. Click save. Then next customer, Max Clinic, we'll tick the box use price tag, and this is neighborhood clinic. Okay, click save. And you just need to do for the next customers. I have already tagged the rest of the customers. To use the MadSoft price tag feature in the systems option, we need to tick the 2 boxes, show price tag and display as price tag, and prompt price tag after debtor selected. First, let's see the effect on the sales invoice without the box of price tag after debtors selected. Now to see the effect of the price tag on the sales invoice, we're going to use the unit price for polyclinic, that is $20. So we will go to the sales invoice, okay, polyclinic, so it's Matrix Polyclinic, call up the AAT thermometer, so the unit price $20 will be shown on the screen. Let's take a look at the tax invoice, so it will show the unit price of $20. Under the MadSoft price tag feature, there's another use called the prompt price tag after debtors selected. Okay, let's take a look at the effect on the sales invoice. So I'm going to use the unit price for the end user, that's $40, and the unit price for private hospital, $50. Let's go to our sales invoice. Okay, the first customer to call up is Zoe, that's the end user. So now after I select my customer Zoe, the price tag table would appear. So this allows the users to choose the correct category. So this is the end user, and I will choose the thermometer. So the unit price $40 would appear. Let's take a look at the tax invoice. So it will show the unit price $40. Now the next customer, the private hospital, Zone Hill Private Hospital. After I select the customer, another benefit for this price tag table is not only allows the users to choose the correct category. In this case, let's say the private hospital buys a large quantity. So instead of charging the usual $50 unit price, the user decides to charge a lower unit price to this customer. So I can actually select a different unit price. Let's say it's $35. So I will choose my stock code, the AAT thermometer. So instead of the $50 unit price, a $35 unit price would appear on the screen. Let's take a look at the tax invoice. So it will show the lower unit price of $35. Now let's take a look at the combined price group feature and the price tag feature. Let's watch the next video to see how we can use these 2 features together. MadSoft Solutions software allows the users to combine both the price tag and the price group features together. Let's see the effect on the sales invoice. So I'm going to use the unit price for the special clinic, $70. Next, I need to go to my customers listing and choose the special clinic, that is Young Specialist Clinic Private Limited, and tick the box use price group. Okay, let's say this is the setting of distributor together with the specialist clinic price tag. Save. Let's go to our sales invoice. Okay, so I need to select my specialist clinic. Okay, so the price tag table would appear. So I will go and select the special clinic and choose the stock code AAT thermometer. So you can see the unit price $70. This belongs to the price tag feature, and for the price group the discount is 10%. So it will show 10% on the discount column. 10% on $70 is $7, so the amount after discount will be $63. Let's take a look at the price tag. Okay. So this is exactly the calculation that we have seen earlier. The benefits of combining the price tag feature with the price group feature is: number one, each stock item can sell in 6 different groups of customers. Number two, each group has 4 selling methods, namely the selling price, item discount by percentage or amount, profit margin by percentage, unit price by quantity. Number 3, each stock item can have unlimited selling price to unlimited number of customers. Number 4, can prompt different selling price for users to select in sales invoice, cash sales, and more.